So this question says that a red truck has a velocity of plus 15 meters per second when it crosses the starting line. So let's visualize that. Here's our truck, and its initial velocity is equal to plus 15 meters per second. I'll put a little arrow in there so that I remind myself it's moving to the right, and it's crossing the starting line. So let's call this the starting line. And then it says it has a constant acceleration of minus 3 meters per second squared. So here's my acceleration, and it equals minus 3 meters per second squared. And then what is its velocity when it has a displacement of plus 5 meters? So here we see it. It's at like the end of the journey as far as I'm concerned. And I want to know what V final is. And I know that this displacement, delta x, is equal to plus 5 meters. So there's my visualization. I have my initial velocity, I know my acceleration, I know my displacement, and I want to know my final velocity. So let's make our list. Our final velocity is, I don't know. Our initial velocity is plus 15 meters per second. Our acceleration is minus 3 meters per second squared. And our displacement is plus 5 meters. And what I need to do now is come up with a relationship which links these things. And the one that comes to mind is Vf squared is equal to Vi squared plus 2a delta x. Vf is what I want to find, so Vf squared is equal to plus 15 squared plus 2 times minus 3 times plus 5. So Vf squared is equal to 225. And minus times a plus means a minus. 2 3s are 6, 5 6s are 30. So minus 30. And that equals 195. So Vf is equal to the square root of 195, which equals plus or minus 13.96, call it 14 meters per second. Two answers, and that's because it basically can be at this point going to the right, and then it will stop, and it will also be at this point going to the left. The journey of this car would be, it's going to go like that, and then at some point it's going to stop, and it's going to come back again. So there's a VF in that direction, but if I wait long enough, there'll be another VF in that direction. Which one do I want? Well, the chances are I want the first one, so I'm going to say that in that case, this would be VF is equal to plus 14 meters per second. But I should recognize that unless I have information to the contrary, there's no minus 14 meters per second as a choice. But if I waited long enough, the answer could be minus 14 meters per second. There we have it.